Welcome to Mifratech. This is a project of Smart City. In this we have used ESP32 LCD display with I2C, IR sensors. This is the parking lot. We have used two IR sensors. This is a traffic lane. In this also we have used two IR sensor. This is LED to indicate the signal. This one is ultrasonic sensor for smart dustbin. This one is water level indicator. This one is the pump. This one is one channel relay. So let's see the working. First, as soon as we power up, we need to connect to the Blink app. In this you can see all the values. You can see when I'm placing my finger on the IR sensor, it's detected and it's resembling that there's a vehicle parked. You can see parking lot 1 full. If I remove, it shows empty. This one is the lane. Whenever there is a vehicle, the red light will be turned on. So whenever the water is full, the relay gets triggered and turns on the pump. All the values will be displayed on the LCD display. Street light.
Sir, please.
So this one is a smart street light. Whenever there is no light, street light will be turned on.